Mwah. I have to go to work now, baby. Mwah. I love you. I love you. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to A Day in the Life. I thought, why the heck not bring you guys along with me on a typical day. I'm about to start work for the day at the farm, and today is actually not the most ideal day to show you guys. It is still my first week of work, so I'm still getting a handle as far as what I will be doing. And the last few days I've been pruning coffee, which has been super fun, and I would have loved to show you guys that, but that'll come in time. Today I'm actually going to be doing a little bit of house cleaning. I have to check on the sheep, and yeah, I don't know, but I'll try and show you guys a few little tasks that I'll be doing. Okay, I better go get started for the day. Good morning. No baths for me today? That's Michelle. And that is Hillary. Hello. Can you see the parasailers? Oh wow, so tiny. Man, I wish it wasn't so cloudy today so you guys could see this beautiful coastal view. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean, yours are the sweetest eyes I'd ever seen. We were on our knees, praying that disease would leave the ones we love and never come again. On the radio, we heard November rain. That solo's awful long, but it's a good refrain. Uh-oh. Two drifters. This isn't big enough. Off to see the world. Hey, baby girl. I love her so much. So I just finished work for the day. It was really easy. And now it is the time between my shifts where I can relax, take it easy, eat lunch. I have a couple hours before I have to go, and then I work my night job. Whoa! Aloha! So this is the hill that I now live on at my new place. It is 0.7 miles up a very steep hill, and I have to walk up and down this hill quite often. I walk home in the dark up this hill, and I am gonna be so ripped before I know it. And every time I do it, it gets easier. But ooh, let me tell you, this hill, it is not easy.
I've categorized it into 3 sections because there's 3 really, really steep parts. The first one being the worst to go up. So, you know, every time I do this, I'm like, okay, hill number 1 is done. And then I have to do hill number 2 shortly after, and then I get a little break, and this is kind of that break area where I just walk mostly flat. And then hill number 3, I'm like, home stretch. So, you know, I have to kind of pump myself up in order to cope, because it is a workout, I must say. It is some serious cardio, but I cannot wait to get super buff because of it. Last night I was walking and I heard this really loud rustling. I was so freaked out, I got out my knife. And I, of course, city girl Holly here, I always think like, oh, it's a homeless person, you know, because like people are the thing that you're scared of when you live in a city. It's other people. But of course, it was 2 wild pigs, and they heard me and they just bolted out of the bush, this bush right here. I screamed so loud. It was so scary. They were scared. I was scared. No one got hurt. Ooh, see, look at this view. I Instagrammed this the other day. Check that out. So this is technically hill number 2. Really tough on my knees as well. So it's hard to go up, hard to go down, but I make it work. So I decided to leave a little early today because I do need groceries, but I also just wanted an excuse to show you guys my favorite place to go and get food.
Probably I'd honestly go with the sandwich.
Yeah? I haven't had it yet. I'll do the sandwich then. This is barbecue jackfruit, and there's some lettuce, some hot sauce, sweet and spicy pickles. I don't know what else. It's barbecue jackfruit though, and it's bomb. Pretty flowers. Yum. And holy chickens. So I just finished my Sammy. Well, I just ate a big sandwich. I might as well walk a little ways more, or I can walk and thumb. That motorcycle was really close to me. Someone once told me, you have to have a hitchhiking song if you're gonna get picked up. And you have to have a song that brings good vibes, something to keep your spirits up. And if you pick the right song, when you sing it, you'll get picked up. So here goes nothing. Come on, people now. Smile on your brother. Everybody get together. Trying to love one another right now. Ah. Aloha. No? Oh man. I'm pretty sure that couple pulled over, not realizing that I was standing nearby hitchhiking, and then they looked up and saw me, and then they just dipped. That was really awkward. Wow. Here I go again. Come on, people now. Smile on your brother. Everybody get together. Trying to love one another right now. And that's how you do it. Aloha! How's it going? My ride was a very nice gentleman from Switzerland. In fact, I believe he was the first man I've ever met from Switzerland, or a woman. He's here on the Big Island to learn how to be a helicopter pilot, or a helicopter instructor, which is so cool. I love hitchhiking. Now I am right outside of my work, and being that I did hitchhike, I always like to get here early because in the event that I can't get a ride, which That's never happened, but if that was to happen, I would need enough time to get to work. So I'm here like an hour early now. I just got off the phone with my parents, and this is a quiet little space right outside of my work where I can go and sit in this little chair, and I usually will read, journal, or watch videos, or listen to my audiobook. And there's chickens everywhere, so here comes one of them. So just to show you guys, I am currently reading The Four Agreements. This is a very famous book, and I'm on chapter 3, and it's really cool. I am going to read a little bit until I have to go to work. So I will just talk to you guys later. All right. See ya in a bit. Every single morning. Holy crap, it's bright. Don't ask me how, but I just deleted my last live stream and there's no getting it back. Fortunately, it wasn't an overwhelmingly important video by any means, but still, that's kind of lame. So, you're probably wondering, Holly, this is a day in the life video. Why is it tomorrow? And that's because there was just one more thing I wanted to show you guys before we end this little day in the life, because this is something that I do almost every week, maybe every other week, but it is such an important part of my life out here and something that I haven't shared with you guys. Without further ado, let's go to the Kona Greens Farmers Market. Yay.
Whoa! Say hello to my friend. Here you go. Thank you. You all want one in the back? Mon chéri, how you doing? Okay, get your coconut.
Got back from the farmer's market, and I just wanted to show you guys what I bought this time, and I'll tell you the prices if you guys are curious. I always buy kale because I eat a lot of kale, put it in my smoothies, and I make kale salads, and it's a superfood. It's got lots of good things in it. So this was $3. I got some cherry tomatoes for $3. I'm sorry, $3.50. I got 3 lemons, also for $3 a piece. And I bought some sweet potatoes for $3 as well. So, oh, and I got my coconut, and that was $5, which, no, that is not a normal thing for me to do, but I've never had a coconut, and I thought since I was showing you guys, it was a very good excuse to get one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little day in the life video. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I'm hoping I hit 10K soon, so follow me on social media in case we do a celebratory live stream. Yeah, coming up, 10K, whoop whoop. And if you are watching me and you're not subscribed, be part of that celebration, yes? Okay, I love you guys. Peace.